Hi, I'm Nick Van Hattem. I'm the president of the Law Society, and I'm talking today with Dom Hanson, the CEO of Law Access. G'day, Dom.
Hello, Nick. Lovely to have you on board, and it's great that you're an event ambassador for us. Yeah.
Thanks so much for inviting me to be an ambassador. I'm really proud to support Law Access in all its work, but particularly in the Walk for Justice, which is such a significant part of the legal calendar now. And this is the 5th year for the Walk for Justice.
Yeah, it's an incredible event, and it brings everyone together from across the profession, uni students who volunteer in legal centres and academics and the judiciary. It's a great event, and so I'm so glad everyone's getting behind us, and we're still celebrating virtually this year. We've got a few different ways of doing it, so I can go into that.
Yeah, well, that's right. There are so many parts to this walk, because not only is it celebrating pro bono contributions, and I think it is on National Pro Bono Day, but it's also an important source of funds for Law Access. And perhaps you can tell us a bit about where those funds can go with those contributions.
Well, the funds can go to help us deliver more pro bono services. So we triage and assess pro bono applications. We've got a great new website. We've got a new senior family law position that came in thanks to the walk contributions over the years. We've got a disbursements fund for pro bono lawyers, all sorts of expenditure that this fundraising helps us to make. It's fantastic.
So how are we going to do a virtual walk this year?
Well, that's a good question, and it's turning out really well. We're asking everybody to walk in their own neighbourhoods or at home or in their backyard, and we're asking them to post using the hashtag W4J2020 on social media channels, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook. And we will be posting photos that you send to us and that you post and sharing them on Facebook and doing a Facebook story on the day. So everybody will be walking apart but together. And now, as Katrina McLeod pointed out in her most recent Facebook post, we're actually able to walk with a few more people now because the restrictions have lifted somewhat up to 10 people. So that's great news.
That is great. And I mean, a huge part of the walk is the social interaction. It's great to see the whole profession really come out, all segments of the profession. But I think Law Access has done some good things this year to facilitate that side of things as well, particularly the playlists. They've just been awesome.
Yeah, we really took our inspiration from the district court team. So Senior Judge Wager came out with this incredible playlist following a request to her court staff to help her pick the top 3 songs for the Event Ambassador playlist. So everyone's waiting with bated breath. We're releasing Event Ambassador playlist picks every week, and yours came out this week, Nick. And so that we're drip feeding those until the event. But in the meantime, we're challenging everyone to keep up with the district court team's extensive playlist and come up with their own. We've had some great ones.
I was pretty miffed because I thought I had a really edgy choice with that work from home track, but actually the district court beat me to that as well.
Yeah, I do recommend everyone goes to our event website, clicks on the playlist tab and have a look. You know, there's some great ones there.
Great. Now, another great part about the walk traditionally has been the breakfast afterwards at Adalakshmi, which is also a not-for-profit helping to feed the homeless. So how are we going to do breakfast this year?
Well, this year we can't all get together for the breakfast, obviously, because of COVID. But what we can do is we've got a cooking demonstration that will be shared by video for everybody who's registered for the walk. And that cooking demonstration will be brought out a week before the event itself, along with some recipes with ingredients. We've asked for no-fail recipes, and they're wonderful demonstrators. And it's a really short video. So I think everyone who's into cooking and wants to make a delicious South Indian breakfast treat for themselves, you can make it in advance and have it on the morning after your walk. But if you're experimenting in advance, take photos and send them to us. We'd really like to see all those chefs. So we've introduced a little bit of a MasterChef element as well as a playlist challenge.
Right. So good. All right. So if people want to join the walk or support existing walkers, what should they do now?
Well, now they should go to our event website on my course. So it's Law Access Walk for Justice 2020. And then they should register for the event. it's really important to register, even though we're asking you to do it in your own neighbourhoods and everything. We're going to have a great event podcast this year as well that you can listen to as you walk. So to get our event podcast, to get our cooking demonstration from Anna Lakshmi, and to get the event ambassadors playlist, you need to be registered or you need to have donated. So if you're on our list of donors and you click on that link, you just want to donate, then you'll get all those goodies as well. Terrific. So it's going to be a great year.
Yeah, it really will be. Well, thanks so much for sharing, Dom. Thanks for your time today.
Thank you. Okay, great. Thank you very much.